A for apple. Apple means save. B for ball. Ball means gend. C for cat. Cat means billi. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fish. Fish means machli. G for grapes. Grapes means angur. H for hen. Hen means murgi. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for jug. Jug means jug. K for kite. Kite means patang. L for lion. Lion means sher. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N for nest. Nest means घोंसला. O for orange. Orange means संतरा. P for parrot. Parrot means तोता. Q for quilt. Quilt means रजाई. R for rabbit. Rabbit means खरगोश. S for sun. Sun means सूरज. T for telephone. Telephone means दूरभाष. U for umbrella. Umbrella means छाता. V for van. Van means गाड़ी. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X for xylophone. Xylophone means काष्ठ तरंग. Y for yak. Yak means चमड़ी गाय. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra.